Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm here. In this video, we are going to talk about technology use for English learning. First of all, we'll discuss why we should use technology for English learning, and then we will talk about the best tools for it. Let's get started. Why should we use technology for English learning? Because technology makes everything easier, faster, and more fun. It gives us access to native speakers, real-life situations, and different learning styles. Also, with technology, we can learn anytime and anywhere. We don't need to wait for a class to start or go somewhere to practice our English, because we have a lot of free applications and websites that help us to learn English in an easy way. If you want to improve your listening skills, you should watch movies and series and listen to podcasts and music. But what if you don't have time for that? Well, no problem. You can listen to English songs while doing dishes or cooking. You can put the volume low so that you won't disturb your family members, and you can learn new words and improve your listening at the same time. There are many useful apps that make learning a new language easier and more effective. Some apps allow you to translate words and sentences instantly, while others offer a more immersive experience with games and exercises designed to test and improve your language skills. Here are the best 5 apps that I found useful when I was learning English. Memrise is a free app available for Android and iOS devices that uses spaced repetition and machine learning algorithms to help users memorize new words and phrases. The app offers a variety of courses created by educators and community members that cover a range of topics from basic vocabulary to specialized subjects like business or medicine. Users can also create their own flashcards and share them with the community. Memrise also has a built-in chat feature that allows users to practice their language skills with native speakers. And it offers a points-based system that rewards users for completing courses and engaging with other learners. Overall, Memrise is a versatile and engaging app that can help individuals learn new languages more effectively. Babbel is a language learning app that offers interactive lessons in various languages, including English. It focuses on practical conversational skills and offers features such as speech recognition technology and the ability to connect with native speakers for language exchange. Babbel also provides tips and recommendations for further learning and practice. However, some features require a subscription, which may be a barrier for some users. Overall, Babbel is a comprehensive language learning app that can help individuals improve their English skills through interactive lessons and practice opportunities. Mondly is a language learning app that uses a unique approach called the 4D language learning method, which combines elements of traditional language learning with technology. It offers interactive lessons that include audio, video, and text components, and focuses on building conversational skills. Mondly also offers a virtual reality feature that allows users to practice their language skills in a realistic setting. Additionally, Mondly provides vocabulary lists, games, and exercises to help users learn and review new words and phrases. The app also includes a built-in chatbot that allows users to practice their conversational skills with an AI-powered chatbot. One limitation of Mondly is that the free version offers limited content and features. However, the app's gamified approach and interactive lessons make it an effective tool for language learning. Rosetta Stone is a well-known language learning software that offers a variety of courses in different languages, including English. It uses an immersive approach to language learning that focuses on teaching the natural way of speaking and understanding the language. Rosetta Stone uses a proprietary technology called dynamic immersion to teach the language in context, providing users with real-world examples and scenarios. This approach helps users develop a deeper understanding of the language and its nuances. Additionally, Rosetta Stone offers a range of features such as speech recognition technology, interactive exercises, and the ability to connect with other learners and native speakers. However, Rosetta Stone is not free and can be expensive. Some users have also criticized the software for not providing enough structure or guidance. Despite these limitations, Rosetta Stone is a highly regarded language learning program that can help individuals improve their English skills through its immersive approach and comprehensive courses. Bisu is a language learning platform that offers courses in various languages, including English. It uses a structured approach to teaching languages and offers a combination of interactive exercises, vocabulary lists, and grammar lessons. Bisu also offers the ability to connect with native speakers for language exchange and feedback. Additionally, Bisu provides users with personalized learning plans and progress tracking tools. The platform also offers a range of features such as speech recognition technology, interactive exercises, and the ability to connect with other learners and native speakers. BCU is available as a website and a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. While Bisu is generally a good language learning platform, some users have reported issues with the accuracy of the platform's speech recognition technology. Additionally, some users have noted that the platform's free version is limited and the premium version is relatively expensive. There are many ways to use technology to improve your reading skills. You can read ebooks and articles online, join online book clubs, participate in writing communities, and use online dictionaries and reading regularly and practicing your writing skills can help you maintain and improve your reading skills. You can use technology to practice your speaking skills by using video chat services like Skype or Zoom to have conversations with native speakers. You can find conversation partners online or through local meetup groups. Or you can use an app like Verbling to find and book English lessons with qualified teachers. You can also practice your speaking skills by recording yourself while speaking and listening to your own recording to identify areas for improvement. You can also find plenty of videos online with some simple tips on improving your pronunciation. One great resource for learning English online is TEDx Talks are available in English with subtitles in many different languages. They cover a wide range of topics and are given by experts in their field. Watching and listening to TEDx Talks is a great way to improve your listening and comprehension skills as well as learn new vocabulary. Many universities and colleges offer free English courses online. These courses are often designed for international students and cover a range of topics from basic conversational English to academic writing. Some examples of universities that offer free online English courses include the University of Cambridge, the University of Oxford, and the University of Michigan. There are many websites that offer free English learning resources such as British Council, Learn English Kids, English Central, and many more. Most of these websites offer a range of resources such as interactive exercises, vocabulary lists, grammar lessons, and video tutorials. You can choose the resources that best suit your needs and learning style, and you can track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Learning English online can be a convenient and cost-effective way to improve your language skills. With the availability of free online courses and resources, anyone with an internet connection can access high-quality English learning materials. Whether you want to improve your conversational skills, prepare for an English language test, or simply expand your knowledge of the English language, there are plenty of resources available to help you succeed. So these are some of the best tools for learning English. There are many other apps and websites out there that can help you learn English. Try out a few of them and see which ones work best for you. And don't forget to combine your studies with entertainment. Watch movies, listen to music, and practice your speaking skills with friends or native speakers. Learning a language takes time and effort, but with the right tools and resources, you can achieve your language learning goals. So keep practicing and don't give up. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye!